Right, it's been a long time since we've done one of these WRCC fans, and it's going to be a noisy one today because everybody's still in the workshop working away. A new arrival. It is a 1967 Morris Minor van in identical condition to the one that's just sold. So this is not the van that we did a video of last time. It's a different one. Same colour, Maroon B, 1967. 6 previous keepers. Beautiful bodywork. There's no, if you look at the gutters are all in perfect order, which, if you know about minor vans, that's the big sticking point. No bubbling at the bottom of the doors, so that's another sticking point with miners in general, not just vans. As you can see, the paint's got a lovely shine to it, nice finish. It's an older restoration. Comes with a big history file of receipts and invoices. Go around her again. It's got a few mechanical upgrades on it. As I say, it's 1098. It's got disc brake servo. It's got the wider wheels on it, as you can see, so the wider van wheels. And go back to the inside. It's got a vent on the roof, as it used to be a bread van. So in a previous life it were a bread van, so that was for ventilation, although now you can open it up to cool her down. Interior is in superb order, as you can see. Perfect deadlining and sun visors. Obviously interior lights in perfect order. Nice clean dash. Bakelite original steering wheels in good order, showing 27,481 mile. As you can see, it's got the Suffolk seats, so they're a nice addition for extra comfort. Recline, go backwards and forwards, a bit more manoeuvrability, or a bit than the original seats. As you can see, inside of the body is absolutely beautiful as well. Nice order, nice and clean. I'll open up and sort of show you that anyway. But it runs really well, drives really well. I've actually been out and about to the shops in this and used it a little bit before we valeted it, and it's a pleasure to drive, and it certainly drew loads of attention as well while we were out and about. It's got inertia reel seat belts in, as you can see. So, alternator on it, servo, disc brakes, nice and clean in the engine bay. So the inner wings, flitches, tie plates, everything, bulkheads all as it should be. Nice and clean and tidy. So if you're after a very, very nice, clean, tidy van, why don't you give us a call? So it's the Yorkshire Minor Centre. As always, speak to Dan in sales, that's me. It's 01422 881 221 or www.westridingclassics.co.uk. This will be on today, or you can give us an email at inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk. I'll just show you the back as well. So as I said, the rear body is absolutely pristine. So the wheel arch tubs are all clean. Inside the roof's all clean, inside the gutters all clean and tidy. Same on that side. Obviously the rear body floor's all clean and tidy. Really, really nice clean van. Inside of the doors are all clean and tidy. And same again on that side. So if you're after something that's a little bit special, nice clean, tidy, usable van, promo van or something like that, give us a tinkle. Thank you. Cheers guys.